Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com, making this small video about yesterday's trades, and just want to show you that how I do it with the help of index. So let's get started fast. I want to keep this pen because sometimes the sound just disappears, so I want to keep watching it. Anyway, so okay, this is the yen index. Okay, yesterday was all about yen. Because yen start bouncing from this area 51.40, and if you don't know where it is, maybe I can show you. It's here. It's probably, I think it's a monthly number, 51.40. Oh, sorry, this is the one. Okay. This is this big drop here. Somehow it's not shown here, but this is 51.40. So it start bouncing and it reflects on the index. Let me see where it is. It always reflects on the 20-minute chart of the index here. Okay, so it was bouncing from, let's say, 51.40, and let me just draw where the 51.40 is, and you will see exactly where it start bouncing. So 51.40, see it right there. Okay, the first bounce, and then this is the bounce that it triggered everything, and the 7-minute chart, see, this is the one. So it start bouncing from here, and I know now that it's going up, and yen is gonna get weaker, and all yen pair will be going up. So what did I do with that? And also this is the weekly chart, right? So the help of this chart, I just made I just showed you that it start bouncing from 51.40, going up, up. The next target was 52, then 65, and then 52, these are the three numbers here. That was the target. There was nothing else in between, so it will be going up and getting weaker, and all yen pair will be going up. So I took advantage of that, and this is USD yen yesterday long. It retraced here and then start going up. This is the beautiful entry. There was another entry, but I didn't have to take it, but because I was already in. So this is first trade, USD yen. That one, pound yen. Okay, beautiful entry here. CAD yen right there. Aussie yen right there, all 10th September. Okay, so this is how easy it is. If you just understand the index and then watch it where it is going, you will find all the yen pairs, or any, the same currency, any currency. Yesterday I made a video, the last video, that was about pound. I was watching pound index. As soon as it starts going up, I trade all pound pairs, 4 or 5 of them, right? Similarly, yen, and then all yen pairs: Aussie yen, USD yen, pound yen, and CAD yen. And I also had some beautiful entries on other yen pairs. But how many trades you're gonna do? You literally, this way, you literally have like pick and choose kind of situation, and you just choose the best of the best trades. Maybe 1 or 2, or maybe all. It depends. I usually go maybe 3, 4, 5 at the most, and that's it. So this is how this system is. Now, what is the next hunt? What I'm looking at is that even I send out the chart on my Telegram. This is the chart. You see, this is Aussie index 33-minute, and it went up all the way here and hitting 40.71. When we look at that on the index chart, let's say the live chart of Aussie 33, this is what it is. See, 40.71. I'm hoping that it's gonna drop, and if it drop, what will happen? Aussie dollar gonna get weaker, and then these two pairs will go up because the Aussie on the right hand side, and these pairs will go down. AU, AC, and AJ, and maybe AN, Aussie Newsy, they will go down depending on the other currency, but usually that's what happens. So I'll be looking for up long-term trades on pound Aussie, Euro Aussie, and short Aussie USD, Aussie CAD, Aussie yen, and any other Aussie. Well, these 3 or 4 pairs are enough. If you're watching 3 or 4 pairs, you will find some beautiful entries there. and that's it. So hope that this will start dropping, and if not, it doesn't matter. Sometimes it doesn't work, and then I have nothing to lose. If I don't see my short entries, I'm not gonna open the trade. Simple as that. I need the short entry. So if this thing start dropping, then I'll go and then start 7-minute chart, watching 7-minute charts of all these pairs, and then obviously if it continue dropping, then all those pairs will give me short entries, and I'll just simply open the trade and watch them going positive. Okay, so this is how it is. Hope you understand. Let me see, what was that? Yeah, so let's look at these trades. This is what it is. When something start going up, then you'll find entries like that, and then it just go in this fashion. Just the opposite, if Aussie pair is gonna drop, or maybe Pound Aussie and Euro Aussie start going up, they will be doing something like that. I will be taking the trades, and tomorrow I'll make another video and show you how I did in Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, just like I did yesterday. This same thing, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, every single day. Every single day, usually what happens is that these pairs, they have a daily range. For example, if you want to see that how much is the reason I don't trade a Euro USD, let me show you. Euro USD, well, I have to open the trade chart for that first. Do I have anything here? For example, Euro USD, this one, right? This is not the real chart. This is my Fib tool template where I have all the Fib. But for example, just wanted to see if how much this pair moves in a day, right? So where's that indicator? I don't even have that indicator here. Okay. Seems like I removed that indicator here. So yeah, I don't have it. I usually have an indicator that tells me what is the daily range. So the daily range for this pair is not more than 50-60. So how are you gonna trade that, right? And on the other hand, you have like Euro Aussie, Pound Yen pair like that, Pound Aussie, right? They have more than 100, 125, 130, 40 pip daily range. That means that those pair move that much in one day, and that's what you want. That's how, if they start moving in one direction, then you can see a lot of pippage coming in the back. So here, this is touching 40.71, this Aussie index dollar. Look at the 7-minute chart, just a little touch and then staying below. If it start dropping, those pairs will start moving in my direction, and I will start taking the entries. So this is how I trade, at least. And if you like what you see, go on my website, subscribe, and then become a part of it, learn. If any difficulty, I'll get on the Skype and I'll help you out. And yeah, every day. And like even today, I'm telling you that Aussie index, what's gonna happen if, just in case, for example, if Aussie news comes out better instead of worse, right? Then Aussie will get even more strong, and it will probably break this 40.71 and go to the upside. In that scenario, what will happen when the volume comes in the London Open, right? After that, then I'll see the Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie still giving me short entries, and I'll take them. That's simple as that. If it's going down, I'll see the entries, short entries. If it is going up, I'll see the long entries. The bottom line is that you need to know exactly when and what it is doing. Like I know exactly that this is where it stands. This is the area. This is the number 40.71. This is where it is. And without the weekly chart, you have no clue why it stops here, right? Why the heck? I mean, it's not touching the pivot. It's not, there's no trend line, nothing. So why it stopped here and drop? That's why. And why it is bouncing from here? Because that's another number, 40.24, which is reflecting here, 40.24. Okay, and it bounced from where? 38.40. So if you look at this, you can see 38.40 or 38.04, dummy. 38.04, right? So look, 38.04 is right there. This is the line, right? So I went above, came, and then long entry here, 38.04, and at that point I knew that it's gonna go up, and the next target was this, 39.83, and so on and so forth. So this would be maybe tomorrow. This will be the theme all Aussie pairs trades. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Let me just stop sharing.